Yeah, what's up, everybody? So, package came in today. Like this, the exhaust tips. Well, I really don't like the OEM, the chrome looking one. To me, it just doesn't look. It doesn't match the overall of the car, you know. So I want to get this replaced with the black tips. See the difference? The black tip will make so much better. It does. So the measurement is the inlet pipe is 2.5 inch on the OEM, and it's 5.5 inch for the tip. I can't find this anywhere else. On Amazon, this was like $40, 2.5 with 3.5. So it looks good. I think it doesn't have to be like this big, but still look good. Because this OEM one, even though it's 5 inch, but it just it's fake. So this is actually 3.5. And by the way, you can't get it too long because you have the valve right here. So I measured it, so it can't be longer than 7 inch. So this is 6. It's perfect fit. Should be okay. I ordered 2, so I'm gonna go to the shop, get this 2, replace it. See how much they charge. Shouldn't be much. I'll say $100, maybe even less. Yeah, it will look so much better with a black tip. I don't know if it will sound different. We'll see, you know. Let's go to the shop. So here is a close look of the new tip. It feels like it's about like, I think like 3 pounds, maybe even less. It's double-sided. You see right here, there's a lid, and then there's a hole. I don't know what the purpose of this for. Make it sound better, or maybe for the drain. I don't know. We'll see. There's a logo. I don't know what it says. Some knockoff brand on eBay. I mean, on Amazon. It looks. I like the way it looks, and the price. So the valve is right here. So we will cut through here, keep the valve. So in the quiet mode, and the tip is fake. It's 5 inch, but it's still fake. It's 2.5 actually. So we'll see.
No turning back now.
So the OEM tip is out. That's how it looks compared to the new one. You can tell I think it's about the same size. This says 5 inch, but this one's 3.5. But it looks about the same. Okay. This one definitely lighter. About maybe like a pound lighter. We'll see the difference. It doesn't make a difference for the sound, but it looks, for looks wise, I like this. See now? That's how you look. I think it looks so much better. I know minus this part, because you won't see it when it's on the ground. I like it. It looks smaller, but it's doable. Here is the resonator on the Elantra, and this thing's pretty heavy. This thing weighs about, I'll say, 5 pounds, maybe 10. I think it's 10 pounds. Yeah. The resonator is replaced with this. So let me turn on the Enmo. I don't know if this, I'm recording with my cell phone, so I don't know if this can fix this. Yes, it sounds totally different. It sounds more aggressive. I'm gonna have to do a record. I'm gonna have to record this outside. Oh yes. Oh wow. It sounds aggressive. It does. So the labor for the resonator delete was $100, and the putting on the new exhaust tips was $40. So that's $140, and the tips I bought it on Amazon was 40 something. So like still was 50. So for $200, it made exhaust sounds totally different, more aggressive. Listen to this. You see the difference with the black tips versus the OEM chrome? It makes a huge difference on the look. It's look more clean and then more, I don't know, stealth.